For the record, oh, Jesus Christ. For the record, sometimes I will post as my DR self. Like acting like her. Because why not? It's funny. And it's fun. So if you ever see -Y, just know that it's supposed to be a post from like my DR self. So yeah. Also, I'm thinking, oh Jesus Christ, I'm thinking of adding myself into my DR. Anyways, yeah. Life is doing well. Please don't hiccup again. Please don't. Oh, God damn it.